What up? Coming at y'all with another update on lightweight. Sunday, I think it's like 2 in the morning now. Been grinding, man. Getting some work done. As you can see, seal finally came in for the oil pickup tube, so I put the motor together and stuck the crank sensor in there and threw the pan on, new gasket, of course, all of that. Just wanted to put it together-ish so I could set this thing in and start mocking up. And she is in. It was a pain getting it in there. As you can see, I had to take the core support. There's another piece that's missing that goes up top right here. I take all that out to get this thing in there, man. Crazy jacking it up because the legs on the hoist wouldn't clear the bottom side of the truck and all kind of crazy stuff, man. But it's in there. I got a jack on the backside so it's not tilting and falling on the firewall. But just wanted to see what kind of room I'm working with, man, and see what I want to do as far as power adder wise. Definitely gonna have to have some changes made. I don't know if I want to do the motor mount plates to where I could adjust it and move it forward or back, because there's definitely no room for bolting up the trans, especially for the one that I want, because that lip's gonna come all the way up here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to like mess with these brackets that that's actually in the frame, drop it down or what. I really don't want to mess with that stuff. I don't have to. So we'll see what I end up doing. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the fan. It's hot in here. But I'm not gonna make any major changes until I get a trans bolted up to that thing and then try to put it in and see what problems and issues I run into and then go from there. But I know there's definitely gonna be some changes that's gonna have to be made for sure. There's no way a 480 is gonna bolt right up to this thing as it sits and work out. And even if it did, that's way too close. I'm not finna header in there. So something's gonna have to give, something's gonna have to be changed. So it's pretty sad because that's gonna be no more waiting on parts, but part of the game. Trying to get it all figured out now. So yeah, just gonna have to bear with me on that, and I'll give another update once I get a transfer this thing and bolt it up, and then we'll go from there. I got my eye on one marketplace. We'll see if he can budge off the price once I finish the bolting. Go and grab it, start mocking that up, and for the cross member as well. So definitely got a whole lot of work to do, but at least I have some more floor room now to work with now that this thing's sitting in there. So that's cool, you know, a little motivation seeing it sitting off in there. And for now, I can throw all the rest of the stuff that I have sitting back there on top of it and on it just to see, and maybe probably to see later. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, man, she's sitting in there. Not too bad. Definitely sits low. As you can see, all of that firewall up above it. It's a lot of room. So we'll figure something out. Fill that space or not. Whatever. But yep, that's all we got for now. Like I said, I'll check back in with you guys whenever I get my hands on the transmission and we can mock that up and go from there. Later.